Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I have another Nykaa haul, and these are things that I did not buy at once, but I have been buying I think for the past 2 months, and I wanted to do a haul because you guys love hauls and I love hauls as well. I'm also going to put this out there that I have used these products, so I'm also going to give you a little review alongside. So yeah, this is going to be exciting, so let's get started. Now the first thing I would say, rather the first two things that I got is from the brand Nikake. So these are these eyeshadow palettes. Now I have used Nikake palettes in the past and they have been very average, at least to me, the performance and the texture, the pigmentation and everything. But these, oh my god, let me know in the comments if you want me to do tutorials with these, because this one I'm wearing today on my eyes and it's so good. This can compete with a high-end eyeshadow palette and can win as well, because this is very good. The texture, the way it blends, the pigmentation, it's amazing. So yeah, I got two of these and I'm going to link all of the products in the description box, so if you want to pick anything up, then definitely just check the description box. So yeah, these are the first two palettes. One is in the shade Autumn Spice, and I love warm tone palettes. I might as well just end up buying all the warm tone palettes in the world. And this one is called Birthday Cake. I just cannot check out without picking up lipsticks. It just feels wrong. I don't know, it just feels wrong. Let me know in the comments if you're like me. Whenever I'm shopping, buying makeup, I at least have to buy one lip product, or else I feel guilty missing something. So I picked up these. These are the NYX soft matte lip cream. So I picked up two shades. One is Leon. That's a beautiful what do you call it? It's a warm brown. It's a nude brown, actually, warm nude brown. And this one is a little bit on the mauvey side. It's a beautiful brown color, but it has mauve tones, and both of them will look so beautiful on Indian skin tones, olive skin tones. So I have the shade Rome, that is this one, and Leon. The next thing that I picked up is a skincare product, and this has been my holy grail moisturizer for since the time I picked it up. So this is the Pond's Light Gel. Now I have used their Pond's I think light cream or something similar one, but it's like a thicker moisturizer, and I loved it. And then I think this one came out, the light gel one, and yeah, it has hyaluronic acid as well as vitamin E. So love this, and it's so affordable, affordable as well as it just does the job. Love this. So again, if you're looking for a new moisturizer, you can definitely try it. It's affordable. I think I have picked up a lot of affordable stuff this time, because who doesn't like affordable stuff, right? So next I picked up my face wash, which I have been using for a long time now, and this is just backup because this is always out of stock. And this is the Simple face wash. This is the best face wash I've ever used, and I always pick up in 2 or 3 because they are always out of stock. It's just simple on your skin. The formula is so gentle, does not contain harsh chemicals, fragrance, this, that. So it's great for sensitive skin or any skin type actually. It will not strip your skin of the natural oils, will not make it feel irritated, and will clean your face, and you will feel really nice. Okay, so next I picked up a new launch from Sugar, and yeah, it's available on Nykaa, and this is the Sugar Lip Balm. The packaging, it's so cute, and I think they have named all of the lip balms after cocktails and mocktails and coffee and all of that. And I had to pick up the variant Irish coffee because I just love the smell of coffee, vanilla, cocoa. I just love it, and especially during the colder months. So I picked this up. It's so cute. This actually came in today, so this was the last package that I received. So this is how it looks like. It's a matte packaging and it smells like Starbucks, like straight up Starbucks. It smells so good. So and it's affordable as well. Again, it's for it's around for 149 or 199. Can't really see the price over here, but it's a beautiful lip balm, you guys. Especially this variant, you must try it. It smells, I'm telling you, it smells straight up like Starbucks, and who doesn't like that? Okay, since we are talking about Sugar right now, Sugar is actually, by the way, one of my favorite brands, and I don't think they've ever made anything makeup wise that has ever disappointed people. I don't think. I love all of their stuff. So I picked up this lip liner. This is the Sugar. I don't think I picked this up from Nykaa. I think I picked it up from the Sugar stall in one of the malls in Kolkata, but you can get it on Nykaa. I'll link it below. I don't know why I kept it together, but you know, I kept all of my new purchases together for this video. So yeah, this is the Sugar lip liner in the shade Taffeta Terracotta. This is a stunning shade. Do you see it? How beautiful this is. It's a beautiful color. You know, the texture is amazing. It glides on smoothly on your lips, and you know, it stays on for a pretty good amount of time. This also came actually today, and this is the Sugar BB cream. I used to use it, you know, back in the day, and I think they have, you know, like extended the shade range or something like that, because you know, I saw some new shades, and I used to use, I think, Breve or Choco Sheen or something like that, but I found a new shade that is 42 Glaze, and I really loved this BB cream, you know, back in the day. And you know, this gives you a very nice, you know, velvet matte finish. It's great for daily wear, you know, it gives you a good coverage as well. And this BB cream has SPF 30, and this is the Plum E-Luminance Cleansing Balm. I have heard so many good things about it, and I had to try it for myself, because I follow double cleansing. Double cleansing is actually a huge part of my skincare routine. So you know, I'm always looking for, you know, affordable stuff, Indian stuff that, you know, I can use and talk about it to you guys. So I got this one from Plum, and it's great, guys. It will melt even the, you know, the most stubborn, you know, waterproof mascara and everything, and it's very gentle on the skin, smells nice. Comes with this, you know, little spatula. This actually comes in a very nice white box, but you know, I had to like discard a lot of like outer boxes and all of that, because I did not really have, you know, the space to keep these things. Right. Next I picked up something very exciting, and this is, I think, just for $4.99 or $6.99. I don't remember, but it was again very affordable. It's a set of lip liners from Swiss Beauty, and Swiss Beauty has some really nice products. You know, I did try a couple of stuff from Swiss Beauty, and they have real nice products, and they are so affordable. So you know, I picked this whole set of lip liners, you know, and they have all the colors you need in the world. Like after this, you don't really need to buy, I think, lip liners. So this is how it looks like. I think you get around 12 lip liners or something. Yeah, I think around 12 lip liners, and the, you know, the case is made of metal. These lip liners, you know, they are very nice. You know, I was a little skeptical it's going to be a bit dry and all of that, but these are smooth, you know, to my surprise. These are smooth, and these are real nice, pigmented and all of that. So you know, these brands are really pulling it up, and it makes me so happy. So I'm pretty sure you guys will want a swatch, so let me know if you want a separate swatch video, but in this video I'll swatch just one lip liner from the kit to show you how it is. So this is the lip liner. It's, you know, very nice for the price you're paying and all of that. Like for so many lip liners, the price you're paying, it's a real nice, you know, budget lip liner. Alright, so next I picked up a rose water. So I love the Kama Ayurveda one as well as the Forest Essential ones, and you know, those two are my favorites, you know, when it comes to rose water, and I prefer, you know, the sprays, like mist as you call it. But this time I wanted to try something different, and this one is much more affordable than the mentioned brands. You get the product in, you know, a glass bottle, and the spray is really nice. You get it for 275 rupees, and the quantity is more than, you know, you get in Kama's small bottle. It's by the brand Nature's Tattva, and this rose water feels really nice, and it's so soothing. You know, once you spray it, suppose you have a little irritation or something, you will love it. The catch here is you have to use it up within 2 months, because it's actually very natural. Very natural. It's natural, you know, it's made up of natural stuff. So you know, once you open it, you have to use it up within 2 months. The next thing that I picked up is from a very popular skincare brand, you know, that a lot of people have been talking about, and that's Indulgio Essentials. And I just want to take good care of my hair right now, because you know, it's right now highlighted and colored and all of that. So you know, you should always take care of your hair. So I picked up a hair vitalizer. It retails for, I think, 1,000 rupees. I think I got it for around 850 or 950. I mean, discount to Milana. And this is how the hair vitalizer, like the product, looks like. This consistency is almost like water, so you don't need a lot of, you know, hair vitalizer, or you don't need a lot of product. The next thing that I picked up is a restock, and that's my, you know, favorite biotic toner. And if you watch my channel, if you watch my videos regularly, you know that I love this. And on sale, I think you get it for 130 rupees or something. It's usually for 175. And you know, this toner is, you know, the one that just, you know, does the job of, you know, keeping acne and all of that at bay. definitely see a doctor if it's something severe. But if you're looking for a good toner that will help you in just taking care of your skin, then the Biotique is the one for you. Alright, so next I picked up something from the brand called Renning, and this is how it looks like. This is a 5-in-1 or I think 6-in, yeah, it's a 5-in-1 lipstick, and I just love products like this. How it looks like. This basically has shades that are like pink, peach, and like reddish and all of that, and it's so moisturizing and just feels really nice on the lips. It's like those pencils we used to use as kids and then push the next color up. Like, it's a very nice formula. It's a very nice formula, it's very smooth, and yeah. Alright, so next I picked up this lip crayon from Nykaa's Matalacious range. It's one of my favorite lipstick formulas that Nykaa makes, and this is how the box looks like, their usual iconic pink box. And this is the lip crayon. It's a very popular shade actually, it's called Next Level Nude. It has peach tones as well. It's a little cool on me, but I love it. So I picked up more lipsticks because I just love lipsticks. I love lipsticks. So this is a shade I picked up. I think I'm going to give it to my mom. I actually picked it up for her. This is Maybelline Soft Wine. I thought this would be a little more on the plum side, like a little bit on the wine color side, a little bit darker. So this is the color, you guys. It's called Soft Wine. Okay, so next again I picked up another lipstick from L'Oreal. This was on sale, and again I have been wanting to try this because this has a little French name and I'm obsessed with the French culture and everything French. So this is called the Infallible Matte Ultra Matte Le Macaron liquid lipstick. I'm sorry for the terrible French. I tried, you guys. This is the shade Praline de Paris. It's a beautiful like a cool toned liquid lipstick. It stays on for a good amount of time and smells like macaron, smells like a nice bakery. And I really like the applicator on this one. Like, if you can see, this is the color. This is a very pretty pink color. Alright, I think this is the last lipstick. Yeah, this is the last lipstick in this haul, and this is a color I have been wanting to buy for so long, but it has been out of stock for so long. So this is the Sugar, I think, Metal Matte Liquid Lipstick. Just look at the color. This is the kind of red that just drives me like insane. This is the shade 10 Mimosa, and it's a beautiful cool toned red. This is the color Mimosa 10, and do you just see how red, how pretty? Oh my god, I mean, just look at this. The formula of the Masaba nail paints are like stunning, that are made in collaboration with Nykaa. So when she came out with separate nail paints, the shades are so pretty. I had to pick up like 2. Nykaa nail paints in general, they are one of my favorite formulas, but the Masaba ones, they are just beautiful. I picked up the shades Savage. This is the green color, and one is Onwards and Upwards. Okay, so next I picked up something, it's a restock. This is a loose powder from Maybelline. And for me to repurchase a makeup product, the same makeup product means it is the best in the world. This is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Gives you this airbrush look, and I just love this. I got the shade 25 medium. That's the one I always use. That's very close to my skin actually, so I just love this all over my face, under my eyes. Really nice loose powder. If you haven't tried it yet, I'm encouraging you to go and try it right now, or just add it to your cart at least. You're going to enjoy this product so much. You're going to enjoy the results, like when you see it. Okay, so next I got a lip scrub from the brand N or ENN. They have been collaborating with a lot of bloggers, YouTubers. I see them often doing these collaborations and everything. So I wanted to try this brand for myself and see how it works on me. And this is the Candy Floss Lip Scrub, and yeah, this is how it looks like. You get a lot of product. This smells amazing. I have used it a couple of times and I really like it so far. So next I picked up a mascara. I was actually done collecting all these products for like 2 months, and then I saw this was launched on Nykaa. I have been commenting on Maybelline's Instagram page, like the official international page, that please launch this in India. I'm not saying they launch it because of me, of course not. It's a great mascara. It's loved by a lot of people. especially by Gigi Hadid. I remember seeing a live with Gigi Hadid and Maybelline's global makeup artist, and Gigi Hadid mentioned that she loves this mascara, and I actually tried it once. I really liked how it looked. It looks very, very natural, but it gave me the length, the volume. So yeah, like, this is Gigi Hadid's favorite mascara, and it's finally in India. I was so happy when I saw this. Not just Gigi Hadid, a lot of people that are associated with Maybelline, they love this mascara. This is the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. So I'm going to show you the wand. Actually, the wand is pretty interesting. The wand actually reminds me a lot of a mascara I think I used by Clinique or something. So it's a very nice wand, it'll give you volume, it'll give you length. Alright, so I picked up another thing. This is from Wet n Wild, and I love like liquid eyeshadow formulas, the one you can blend in or just apply on top of normal powder eyeshadows. So I picked this one from Wet n Wild. This is the Catsuit liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Emerald Glaze. And yeah, I'm going to show you how it looks like. Don't have any place to swatch anymore. This is how it looks like. Okay, so with one of my, I think, parcels, like with one of my purchases from Nykaa that I have been doing in the past few months, I got this free. This is from NYX, and this is the NYX Wonder Stick. So it's like a contour and highlight stick that you get, and I have been ignoring this for the longest time. Never really pick up stick like products like stick contour and all of that, the ones that you have to really roll up and all of that, because they break easily. And this one, actually, when I got it, it kind of broke, but I really like the contour part of this one. Like, the contour one is really nice, especially for daily use. It's easily blendable and it's not very dark. This is how it looks like. So daily use, if you're looking for a light contour, light flush of color, this stick is a good one. And lastly, you guys, I picked up something that I've been wanting to buy for years, and every time I like searched on some Instagram store or something, they just did not have it, or they just immediately sold it out. So this is Becca's Champagne Pop that Jaclyn Hill made with Becca, and I got the mini one because I like buying mini makeup, especially the expensive ones, because you don't really go through highlighters like that, right? This is how the box looks like. I remember when Sephora launched in Kolkata, going inside, and Sephora had Becca before Nykaa did. So I went to Sephora and I was like, do you have Champagne Pop? They were like, no, like, we'll bring Champagne Pop, we are planning to bring it soon, we don't have it yet. And I was so heartbroken. So finally I have Champagne Pop, yay! If you are a makeup lover like me, you would know what this means. So guys, are you ready to see how Champagne Pop looks like? This looks so pretty. Oh my god, in person it's just pretty, okay? It's just beautiful, you guys. I mean, and it's so pigmented, you just need a little bit, and the glow, I mean, it's a cult favorite. It's so popular, people love this highlighter, and it's totally worth the hype. This, I actually got it I think a week or two after Becca launched on Nykaa. I think Malvika Sitlani, she was having this code with Becca, and they were giving out some samples, and Becca is a good brand, so I wanted to try their other products. And thanks to Malvika's code with Becca, I got two little samples of the Skin Love Glow Elixir. So this is something that you can use while you're prepping your base for foundation and all the other products. So this is how it looks like, really cute. I got two of them, and it's a very nice consistency, so you don't really need a lot of product. Lastly, I picked up a Bioderma Sensibo H2O. For the longest time I did not try it. I thought maybe it's overhyped and all of that, but I like French skincare. I like the theory behind French skincare. Bioderma is made in France, and it's a very gentle but effective makeup remover micellar water. Love how it works on the skin without irritating the skin. And yeah, I picked up a bigger size this time, and as you can see, I've already used a lot. I picked it up I think a month back or something. I use this a lot. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found products that you want to try and all of that. And as usual, I will link all of the products in the description box, so don't forget to check that. And yeah guys, stay safe. Let me know in the comments if you want to see any review, any tutorial or anything, and I'll happily do that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till take care, I love you all. Bye bye.